Dr. Kamas, معكم. I am very happy to announce that I'm going to start another playlist that is dedicated to transplantation. So the material will be probably at the level of the general practitioner, general surgeon, advanced medical student, junior doctor, and so on. So I will initially talk about general topics that are related to transplantation, and then slowly we'll start talking about specific organs that I have the experience of transplanting them and taking care of such patients. So like kidney and liver transplantation, as well as pancreas transplantation. So hopefully I will start probably next week. Initially I'm thinking maybe once a week I will post a mini talk, and if it become overwhelming then it will be every other week. Thank you so much. Have a wonderful day.